I stepped outside, the rain was falling, nowhere left to hide. I saw the city lights through watery glass, another lonely night about to pass. And then I saw him running in the rain, his anxious steps a portrait of his pain. He waved at empty cabs with desperate hands, a stranger caught in life's uncertain plans. Who are you running through the storm? What is the story that keeps you warm? I'll never know the burdens that you bear, just another face in the night air. Ships passing in the dark, never to meet again, a silent prayer for where you've been. I called a taxi, stopped it by the curb. He jumped inside without a single word, a hurried thanks as he drove out of sight, leaving me alone in the soft night. Who are you running through the storm? What is the story that keeps you warm? I'll never know the burdens that you bear, just another face in the night air. Ships passing in the dark, never to meet again, a silent prayer for where you've been. And as I drive away, the wipers keep the time, wondering if his worries are like mine. We're all just strangers in the rain, trying to find our way through joy and pain. Who are you running through the storm? What is the story that keeps you warm? I'll never know the burdens that you bear, just another face in the night air. Ships passing in the dark, never to meet again, a silent prayer for where you've been. Just a rainy night, stranger, fade